like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys, hey, I'm Deb. If you're new here, welcome. I'm here today with Luxury Divas. Now this is the first one, I believe, since we went to the bags, and they did as a save on shipping. And if you're not familiar with Luxury Divas, it's a monthly lifestyle box. And if you subscribe, it's $35 a month, and that includes shipping. Now you do have the option of just ordering one box, and that's $40. Well, it's a bag now, but you can cancel at any time, so you're not under any obligation. So save the $5 and subscribe. But anyhow, I'm finding my scissors. I know I have them. This should be my last week in the living room because I think I got my studio all set up. I just got to get the camera and all that straightened out, you know. And I wanted to go ahead and get this week's done so I could have time to fool around with it and do it right. Okay. So this is Luxury Divas for February. Okay. And its total value is $115. Okay. Now, and she always puts some kind of candy or snack in here. In this conversation, it's Smarties Hearts is what it is this time. And that doesn't count on your value. But first thing I'm pulling out is a navy blue small crossbody slingback backpack, and it is valued at $30. And it's nylon, and these are nice for, like, if you're going on a trip, you know. And it has it has an inside pocket here, and then it has an outside pocket here, and then this part zips too. It's cute. Would I pay $30 for it? Probably not. I probably wouldn't, but I know a lot of people would. But these are nice if you're going on a trip, like on a cruise or something like that, or an amusement park where you just don't want to be holding stuff all day. So that's worth $30. And next we have the plaid lightweight blanket scarf. And this is what it is. And it's basically just a wide scarf. Or a lap. You could use it for a lap robe. I do use them sometimes at football games. But, you know. Oh, I see. I see. It is the size of a blanket. It is the size of a blanket. I get it. Okay, yeah. It's the size of a blanket. But it's very thin. See, it's this gingham style. Kind of like. So it is worth $23. Yeah, that seems like an accurate price. And then the next thing we get is a 2-pack warm knit Serpa lined slipper socks. And that's these. And I will be honest with you. I will be taking these apart and I will be gifting them. Probably put them in my things for the craft fair next year because I don't like socks at all. And when they're this hot, I know I can't stand them. So they will be put up for next year for Christmas in my bags, and or possibly for my sister. And those were $25. And then this is $25 also. See, I give you a little bit of everything. That's red, isn't it? I thought it was orange. The boys' team colors are orange and brown. Let's see if I can open this. And I do like their jewelry. I've always been impressed with their jewelry. Their jewelry is nice. And it's Endless Heart sterling silver plated. And it's a necklace, so it must be tangled. But I prefer sterling. I really do. I love the look of sterling. But, oh, there it goes. And that's what that looks like. And it's a $25 necklace. But I gotta be honest, I'm not sure if it'll go around my fat neck. I got extenders, so I would just put an extender on it. And I have magnetic closures because I can't do it for crap. And then the last thing is Amuse Cosmetics Sweetheart Mascara. And I'm not going to open that because I have 900 things of mascara. And that is a $12 value. So that's that. I'm assuming it's black because they usually are. And that is our luxury divas for this month. And I'll be honest with you, usually I don't care for luxury divas in the winter because they tend to give long sleeve shirts and it's very hard for me to wear. But I've noticed this year they haven't done that. I don't know if it's because where the weather's crazy or what, but I'm glad. And a lot of times I'll give you leggings and a shirt, all, in the same thing. So anyway, feel free to like and subscribe. We do lots of unboxings here. We do FabFitFun, Luxury Divas. We do subscription boxes, beauty boxes, men's hauls, Temu hauls. You name it, we do it. So come on back. Join us. Bye.